Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you another VS Code extension which is used for AI coding. It basically generates snippets right here. So this is the extension Bito AI Code Assistant. This is the title here, Chat GPT for Bito AI Code Assistant. So it's got almost a million installs, and this is their website. If you visit Bito dash AI, it's similar to Copilot, Claude, and Cursor, all the top tools for coding development in VS Code. So this is their website. You can start a free trial without any credit card details. Simply click on that and just log in and create an account right here. And you can basically sign up. Just enter the email address, click on continue, and it provides you with the AI chat in your IDE, code reviews, code completions, and then it just need to enter the verification code that it sends you. So after entering it, just create your account here, select the language, and once you create this, just give it a workspace name and just click on next. So now you will be redirected to the dashboard where you can actually get started. So after that, you just need to activate this extension, click on install. So once you activate this extension, so it will be showing right here in the, you will see this notification coming. So click on setup and click let's start, and then it will try to welcome right here. You will see once you install this extension, so these are some of the instructions which are showing right here, and right here you enter your information, the email address to activate this. So once you activate this, you will have this in the free plan. So this is the interface right here. You will ask any sort of question. So you will see it has the chat box right here. So here you will say build a image to, so now it is generating this code based upon the question right here. You will see it will give you step-by-step instructions, and it also gives you autocomplete suggestions as well. As you activate this now, if you are in any sort of file, so it will think right here, and you can press the tab key to accept the suggestion. So as you're writing it, it is giving you the suggestion. So automatically it tells you the entire code. So simply tap to accept, and again if you go just write this, so automatically it is thinking what sort of code that you want to write. This will save you a lot of time, similar to GitHub Copilot. So you can try this extension for totally free. So you can see it generated the response to you, the actual explanation of the code as well, and you can even attach files as well right here, images as well. So you can make it full screen, so that, so at any time you can click the upgrade button to upgrade the account here. So now you are on the free plan. So the pro plan starts with $15 per month, and basically you can get the start free trial, unlimited line by line reviews, AI powered code suggestions, one click apply for AI fixes, all this stuff. So you click the start free trial option, and Once you click this option, it will activate your free trial. So now you will see you are currently on free trial. So after you activate this, so you just click enable, and now you can see your trial activate. Now you're on the trial account. So here you can, so in this easy way, this is a setup for setting up this extension similar to GitHub Copilot, Claude, and Cursor. You can decide whether you want to use it in VS Code. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.